Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together we're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Well, in our opinion, of course.
So we're
Bob.
going to show you today why and how to mobilize your calf muscles.
Why?
Why?
Get it?
Yeah, I've got it. So I don't want to see that again. But the thing is, your calf tends to have tight spots. You know, it's not the whole calf. It's quite often just part of the calf.
Yeah.
So with these mobilization techniques, you can actually focus on those tight spots, work them until they start to feel better, and maybe there's less pain.
I'm trying to find a tight spot in mine.
Maybe you'll find it with the foam roller.
Yeah. Well, there's a little bit right here, and that's
I bet
kind
you
of a
find
problem.
it with this.
Yeah.
Or with a massage gun. So we're going to show you just a couple different ways to do this. You're working the fascia basically and the muscle.
Right.
The fascia, you can kind of think about it like it starts at the bottom of the foot, it runs all the way up into your back, really.
Sure. Yeah. The
I mean,
fascia, as we've
some-
been learning and talking about over the last few months with people that know it,
Right.
connects the whole body actually.
Right.
So, multi-joint.
It's what holds your body together. So let's start out with the foam roller, Brad.
Oh, sure.
Now you can use a regular foam roller, or you can use a knobby one, or a vibrating one.
Yeah, so here's Bob's talking about. It's smooth. This one you can get them different density. This one's like medium. You can push your finger into it. This is a little more aggressive. They have knobbies on it. This one actually vibrates, which is a little even more aggressive.
Tom Brady is a big fan of the vibrating foam roller.
Yeah, you like yours, don't you?
Yeah, I love it. Absolutely.
I don't use one, but I think I would.
This is probably where you want to start because it's not that aggressive.
Yeah.
Now you can also kind of roll the foot back and forth like that
Yeah.
and hit different spots.
So this will get the peroneal muscles a little bit more, which I can feel right now. That feels good.
Is it a perineal?
Yeah, that's a good the perineal or potato or potato.
Tomato.
Cervical or cervical.
Yeah.
And then go this direction. Get the medial muscles a little bit more.
Again, find the spot that's bad.
This
And
is aggressive.
See what Brad's doing now? He's actually putting one foot on top of the other. So I want to see how you tolerate this one, Brad.
What? Which one?
The vibrating foam roller.
Oh, I got to turn it on.
There we go. I was going to say it hasn't probably been turned on in a couple months.
So you can see it's bouncing around there. And, I turned it on a little higher. And that definitely, those individual knobs in there do get in deeper. Ooh, right
that's
there.
why I use one that's really aggressive.
Yeah. Bob's more aggressive on her calf. My calf just, I'm not
I don't
that
think
aggressive.
you need it as much.
Pardon?
I don't think yours need it as
Oh,
much.
yeah, I don't know.
So
Just
you
kind of
can
a whip.
use an old-fashioned softball too, and you can just really hit the right spots. But the same thing, you can roll along on there.
Yeah, look at that. There you go.
I brought this up many times, but there was a pro NBA player that played for the Timberwolves that used a softball throughout his whole body. He would just roll on it.
So you wouldn't do it on a bed like this?
No, I'm just showing
Yeah,
it.
you do it on a floor.
It actually works pretty good on the bed because this is really aggressive.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, and it's going to depend on the individual.
So, and again, I haven't prepared as I should, but you can use the massage gun too. And this is going to be the pinnacle of what you should be able to do.
Yeah,
because,
that is the cornucopia.
I was looking for your word, Brad. I couldn't find it. So you can actually, there's 5 different heads, depending which one you get. Some have 6, right?
I don't know. I think all our has 5. That's pretty common to
Sure,
have 5.
and then 5 speeds. And if you're using the ball, you can actually, instead of going directly on like that, you might go off to the side a little bit. It just feels more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Brad's got the flat head, and that glide. What I like about that one, it glides along really well.
It does, especially if you can go right. It really
Right
goes
through the clothes.
Yep, and that's an advantage in this case.
But really easy to find the tender spots with the massage gun. And also you can use it for different parts of the body, so it's kind of a bonus.
Right.
You know.
Yeah, you can use it everywhere, all over, except
Believe
for the
me,
neck.
you'll find a spot.
Yep. Yep.
Everybody's got pain.
Oh yeah. I like to get my massive pecs, Bob.
Yeah, if you can find them. All right, there's some ideas. Use the ones that work for you. Otherwise, discard them.
Discard them. You'll find something in that
Yeah,
list for
that's
sure.
right.
Well, very good. Be careful and Bob. Why are you playing now?
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Cut it, Mike. Cut.